Good morning, children. I am back again. Today we will again revise yes or no in sentence form. As you all know that we use this when the object is near to us, and we use that when the object is far from us and when there is a pointer. So children, is this a dog? No, this is a rabbit. Is that a red car? Yes, that is a red car. Is this a jeep? No, this is an aeroplane. Is that a ball? Yes, that is a ball. Is this a jug? No, this is a mug. Now children, today again we will read the question answers from your English classwork book, page number 121. Children, open page number 121 of your English classwork book. Today we will read the question answers related to yes or no sentences. Now the first question. Is this an egg? Answer 1. No, this is a cat. Question 2. Is this a red cap? Yes, this is a red cap. Question 3. Is that a mug? Can you see the pointer over here? Okay. Answer will be no, that is a cup. Is that a hen? No, that is a pen. Question 5. Is it a van? Yes, it is a van. Now the last question. Is it a pet? Yes, it is a pet. Now let's read the question answers once again. Is this an egg? No, this is a cat. Is this a red cap? Yes, this is a red cap. Is that a mug? No, that is a cup. Is that a hen? No, that is a pen. Is it a van? Yes, it is a van. Is it a pet? Yes, it is a pet. Now children, open your English classwork book, page number 124. We will write the answers of the question using yes or no in sentence form using this or that. Now children, open page number 124 of your English classwork book. Today we will write some more answers related to yes or no sentences. Answer the following questions using yes or no. Now children, always remember a question ends with a question mark. An answer ends with a full stop. Always write first letter capital whether it is question or answer. Always put a comma after yes or no when we write the answer. We use this if the object is near to us. We use that when the object is far from us. This is a pointer which shows the object is far from us. So we use that. Now question 1. Is this a mango? Look at the picture carefully. No. That is an apple. Children, as you can see a pointer over here, so in the answer we will write no. That is an apple. Now we will write the answer. In the margin, capital A dot 1. Near the margin, capital N. No, put a comma, leave some space. Now, as there is a pointer, we will write that. T-H-A-T, that is an A-P-P-L-E, apple, full stop. No, comma, that is an apple. Now, question 2. Is this a bus? The answer will be yes. This is a bus. In the margin, capital A dot 2. Answer 2. Now the answer will be yes. This is a bus. Capital Y E S, yes, comma T H I S, this, I S is a B U S, bus, full stop. Yes, comma, this is a bus. Now question 3. Is that a girl? Answer will be no. That is a boy. In the margin, capital A N-O, no, comma T H A T, that is a B O Y, boy, full stop. No, comma, that is a boy. Now question 4. Is this a book? Can you see this picture? Is this a book, children? No, it is a top. So the answer will be no. This is a top. In the margin, capital A dot 4. Now, capital N, O, N, O, no, comma, T, H, I, S, this is a T, O, P, top, full stop. No, this is a top. Now, question 5. Is that a toothbrush? What will be the answer? Yes, that is a toothbrush. In the margin, capital A dot 5. Now, close to the margin, we will write capital Y. Y, E, S, yes, comma, T, H, A, T, that, I, S, is, a, T, O, O, T, H, B, R, U, S, H, full stop. T, O, O, T, H, B, R, U, S, H, toothbrush. Yes, comma, that is a toothbrush. Question 6. Is this an aeroplane? This picture is of kite. So the answer will be no. This is a kite. In the margin, capital A dot 6. Near the margin, capital N. N, O, no, comma, T, H, I, S, this is a K, I, T, E, kite. K-I-T-E, kite, full stop. No, this is a kite. Let's read the question answers once again. Question 1. Is this a mango? Answer 1. No, that is an apple. Question 2. Is this a bus? Answer 2. Yes, this is a bus. Question 3. Is that a girl? Answer 3. No, that is a boy. Question 4. Is this a book? Answer 4. No, this is a top. Question 5. Is that a toothbrush? Answer 5. Yes, that is a toothbrush. Question 6. Is this an aeroplane? Answer 6. No, this is a kite. Now this is your homework. Open your English homework book, page number 112. You have to answer the questions using yes or no in sentence form. Children, I am sure you all must have known by now the correct use of yes or no in sentence form. Till then, bye-bye.